Welcome to our tutorial about the for loop. Unlike the do loops, for loops repeat for a specific number of steps. Let's see what the format looks like. For integer b equals 1 to integer a step. And here we enter a number of steps, let's say 2. The for loop has a built-in increment routine. We don't need this line, we can comment it out. The last line next, we can just leave that as is, or we can specify where the loop should go. Next, say integer b. Let's run our program and check it out. We'll start by entering a value of 10. Our value increases in steps of 2. Let's change the step from 2 to -2. Run our program again. We'll start with a value of -10. Click the button. And close our program. Now let's say instead of an integer, I use a double. Same thing for integer b. Now I can use a step containing a decimal point, let's say 0.5. I'll run my program again, enter a value of 3. And as you see, my step increases in increments of 0.5. And this concludes our tutorial about the for loop.